He was a doctor, a Scottish landowner, a respected man, but behind his smile was a killer. Meet Lewis Hutchinson, Jamaica's first recorded serial killer. In the 1760s, if you were passing through St. Anne near Edinburgh Castle Estate, you were being watched. Some never made it out alive. He lured travelers in, shot them, buried their bodies, and stole their belongings. This wasn't one or two murders. This was a pattern of cold-blooded killings. The authorities finally caught him, and on March 16, 1773, he was hanged in Spanish Town. His house, filled with his victims' items, his story, preserved in court records that still exist today. But here's the real shocker. While he was tried and executed, the enslaved people living under his roof had no such rights or protections. Jamaica remembers him, not as a man of medicine, but as a monster in the hills. Subscribe for more truths about Jamaica that textbooks forget.